Hey, how's everybody doing today? I got something a little special for you guys today. I just finished working on a project and I want to showcase it to you guys a little bit, but also I hope I can use this as an idea for you guys to use for your future coding projects or whatever it may be. Or if you don't care about that, at least you got something to listen to and watch and hopefully you find it entertaining. This is kind of geared towards people who don't have any like real life programming job experience. When you're early in the game like that, you don't really have any official job experience, so you got to do something to set you apart from the competition. So, without further ado, let's get into the project. Ooh, what is this, you may ask? Well, if you haven't seen the top already, it's a sorting algorithms visualizer. So, as you can see at the top, we got different names, different algorithm names. We have 21 different algorithms. Pretty nice, pretty nice. And then we actually have an array visualization right here. It's looking pretty cool. So before I actually get in to showcasing the project, let me tell you why this is a good idea. First of all, it looks somewhat impressive. Just being able to look at it graphically, it's nothing super complex, but it's not just some basic text-based game or some text-based program. But the real reason that this is a great project is that it's showcasing your knowledge on a fundamental computer science concept, which is sorting algorithms. Okay, just knowing your algorithms is always good, especially when you get out there. In interviews, you're going to be tested on different algorithms. They're going to ask you to solve a programming problem using a certain algorithm. And if you know those algorithms, that is a very good idea. But also, just making this project is a good experience. It helps you learn these algorithms by actually implementing them. I feel like a lot of the algorithms you learn, or just a lot of what you learn in computer science, sometimes it doesn't stick because you don't get the chance to practice it. My time in high school, the way I was able to learn a lot of what I learned and have it kind of stick in my brain was that I was constantly applying it. I was constantly practicing, I was constantly coding it. I had different assignments where I actually had to code it and utilize the concept or the class or whatever it was that I was using. So let's test this out. I've been talking too much and I know you guys don't want to hear that. We'll just start with a simple bubble sort. Put on the lowest speed. Drum roll, please. Alright, so there's a lot of build up for no reason. But the reason I did that was because I kind of want to showcase the speed. Let's change it to the middle. Let's try that. See? Ah, it speeds up. Pretty cool, isn't it? Um, so this red line right here is kind of showcasing where it is in the algorithm, the current element that is being compared. Now let us go maybe like 75% of the way. See? Speeds up, going a lot faster now. So when we look at the side right here, we can see the comparisons and the iterations counter going up. So the comparisons is the amount of times it compares two elements, and then the iterations is the amount of times that a loop iterates in code, whether that be a loop going through the whole array or just a part of the array, doesn't matter. So we'll speed it up, maybe like there. See, it goes a lot faster, and then we'll do it all the way, and you see it goes super fast. So at the end right there, you saw it turn to green. That's basically just showing that everything has been sorted correctly. So let's pick another one. Let's try the merge sort. We'll put it at like 50%. Too slow. Oops. 75. See? So if you're familiar with the merge sort, just looking at this should look familiar. Divide and conquer, baby. And voila. Look at that. Perfect. And then it reshuffles. So the algorithm sorts the array, then it goes through all the elements to check it, and then it waits like a second or two, and then it reshuffles for you to do it again. Hmm. I would say we could do BOGO sort, but that's literally probably the worst algorithm of all time. If you know, you know. I'm extremely happy with how this project came out, and I hope you guys got something from it. Like I said, I recommend you guys doing this for like a summer project or something, or just a project to put on your resume. I actually got this idea from something else I saw on the internet. It was a video about a pathfinding algorithm visualizer. Um, and I thought that was pretty cool, but I felt like I didn't have the knowledge to do it. So I was like, okay, I'll go ahead and do this. I'll make this up. The graphical side was the toughest part for me just because I didn't know the Swing API very well. But once I got it down, the algorithm part was extremely easy. So I highly recommend you guys look down in the description for my GitHub link. And I also have an itch.io link if you want to check out the project page and actually download the jar file and run it on your computer and play around with it. Tell your friends, tell your computer science teachers, get my name out there, man. Get me famous. So I appreciate everybody coming out, watching this video. Really means a lot to me, and just want to say, y'all have a good one. Stay safe out there.